Man, I'm hungry.
Yeah, when's lunch?
I think Mom's gonna order takeout soon.
Shit!
What's wrong, Mom?
I was upstairs sleeping when a fucking bison took a fucking shit through the fucking window.
What?
A fucking bison!
We heard you, Mom, and I don't ever want to hear you say that exact sentence ever again.
How does the bison reach the upstairs window?
Got me, but right now there's a bunch of shit and glass all over the bedroom.
Ew.
I better call the window repairman.
A bison, you say?
Yeah.
And I see 4 women in the kitchen here with no food.